The students that are here learn through experience, they learn collaborating with each other, they learn in groups. They like to do.
I look forward to coming here every single day. People don't come here because they have to. Everybody here chooses to come here, and I think that makes the community that much better.
We were all just like a family, and we were all there to support each other.
For the most part, kids that come here are kids that have, for one reason or another, not been that engaged in their home school. That's not true of all the kids that come here, but there's something there that just maybe haven't been taught in a traditional education system.
Before HACTC, I just stood back and kind of watched, kind of an outcast, really.
I didn't really care that much about my grades. I didn't put that much effort in. It was more like, I'm just gonna get by with my classes.
Sometimes we see kids who come in feeling deflated, maybe lacking self-esteem, totally intelligent and capable. They just needed that someone to sort of help them get there.
The teachers at HACTC will help you get to where you want to be, no matter what. Like, they will go through 1,000 obstacles.
That's what's different about a tech center is we are with them every day for 2 years. And those kids trust us to help them to do what they need to do to be successful.
I've known since about 6th grade that I wanted to go in the medical field, and I didn't really know if I could handle it, but I think coming here, now I really know that I can do this.
Every one of our programs is very hands-on, real-world problem-solving, critical thinking is involved. So I think kids see that.
Before I came to HACTC, I've been doing a lot of homeschooling, which is a lot of online programs, a lot of books, a lot of reading, and then critical thinking, learning about logical fallacies, learning about tu quoque fallacies. My father was skeptical of HACTC at first, then he looked more into the program, he looked into the skills that you learn, and he completely changed his mind. He would love to have me go.
When I first got in high school, I was lost. I was failing. Until I found the technical center option, these other kids were advancing. I started to fall behind. And it's because of the traditional classroom work I wasn't trying hard enough at because I wanted to learn with my hands. And my teacher, who was a huge mentor in my life, taught me that you're going to have to do some of this traditional work to understand. And then I started hitting the books. It gave me a goal and something to inspire to be, and then learning became fun.
The thing that we're really skilled at is helping those kids who have had hard backgrounds, helping those students that have low self-confidence in how they learn, helping them take that grit and that toughness and that experience from their life experience and assisting them in turning that into growth as a human being.
That's how our community thrives. Students from HACTC come to us with a work ethic, a willingness to learn, and a desire to grow.
Being at HACTC, my confidence has grown dramatically. Like, I've never thought I would be able to say as a junior in high school that I'm taking college courses and I know exactly what I want to do.
It's broadened my spectrum on what jobs are available. I never considered working at a waste treatment plant. I never considered logging. I never considered any of that. And it's shown me a view behind the curtain. I view myself as having more skills in a larger toolbox that I can pull things from now.
Before, I just stood back and not really do anything. But now I've taken a bit of a leadership role in the kitchen, where if I see something wrong, I go fix it.
I've learned not to focus on the negative, just keep going. It will get better. It doesn't seem like it will now, but you will be fine and you will be able to do it. I'm really proud of myself because my freshman year, I did not ever think I was even gonna graduate high school. I'm gonna be able to be a teacher and go off and help people the way they have helped me.
When you see the kids all of a sudden discover that they're really great at something, it's success. It is. It's when you see them doing something successful with their life and contributing back to our community.